Okay, so this is the live lesson, and I'll be going through the question, the 2 mark question that I made for y'all to practice. So hopefully before this lesson starts, please do the worksheet, the question if you have not done it. Okay? Yeah. Otherwise you don't really benefit from this at all. So yeah, okay. So let's go. Let's read the question. You are designing a theater. When all the audience are seated, A will be equals to 1. When performing, when the performing orchestra is ready, 0 is 1. I OBS ready what? It's recording. Okay. Anyway, uh, when A, sorry, when the performing orchestra is ready, O is 1, and when someone disturbs the performance, D is 1. When A and O are both 1, the L should be 0. Otherwise, it will be 1. When O and D are both 1, or when O is 0 and D is 1, then U should be 1. So okay, with this context now, right, they want us to answer the questions, okay? So the first question is to fill out this truth table based off the information. So okay, let's do L first. When A is 1 and O is 1, L should be 0. Any other case of A and O, it will be 1. So uh, when 1 1, which is here, it will be 0. Right, yeah. And then the rest are 1s. Oh wait, here also. And the rest are 1s. Like that. Okay, and then yeah, yep. For you, it should be when OD is 1 1 or 0 1. So then it be 1. So 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 like that. So then it look like this. So like alternating, right? Uh, yeah. Okay. So that's correct. We filled out the truth table already. So that's the answer. B. From the truth table, form an SOP Boolean expression focused on the output L. Focusing on the output L. So some of y'all okay. I okay. Some of y'all, when y'all are going to form your SOP Boolean expression, like writing it out, y'all may include D, as in y'all may do this. Y'all may say when it's 1 so here 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 we have to do the we have to write it out. So okay, AO bar D, then plus A bar O D bar. That means y'all may include D, but actually that's not necessary because um, D does not affect the output of O at all. Of L at all, sorry. See? It doesn't matter the value of D. Okay? So if y'all did include D into your SOP Boolean expression, it's fine. I think when you simplify it with your K-map, the result should be the same as the correct answer, but it's unnecessary lah. So if in your question you wrote um, your SOP expression without the D, then tell me so I can give you a star, because I don't think most of you will catch this. Not like being uh like an asshole or anything. I just don't think y'all will see this. Yeah, so yes. Thank you. Okay, so let's do this SOP stuff. Then, oh, that's it. Yeah, so this is it. Then we just simplify this with a, okay, let me write in green. Simplify this with a two variable K-map. If you all forgot how to do already, just this will be a recap. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So when both A and O is 0, outputs 1. When A is 0 and O is 1, so 1, 0 is 1. And then when A is 1 and O is 0, so 1, 0. Huh? Eh? When both are 0, when A is 1 and O is 0. What? Oh, I wrote this one wrong. Sorry. Oh, sorry. When A, okay, yeah, so this is this. Then this is when A is 0 and O is 1. So 0, 1 is like this. Yeah, then this is 0. Alright. So then we do our grouping. Then the K MPA wrong. Okay, whatever. I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, am I doing it wrong? I did it wrong. How? But you corrected yourself. Yeah, because I'm the goat. So anyway, so now we can get the expression of L. Yeah, okay. Which is we look at the first group. A is being a skibidi toilet. So we only concern ourselves with O, which would be O bar, because we want it to make it 1. If y'all don't know what the hell I'm doing, go watch the video on the K-map so y'all understand what I'm doing right now, but I'm not gonna go through, I'm not gonna explain what I'm doing. Okay. Which one? The video on the K-map, I don't know. All of them, if you're concerned about your electronics. Then look at the second group. O is being suka-suka, so A. Okay, so this is the answer for L, simplified with a K-map. If you got this, then good job. Good job. Okay, so next, form an SOP Boolean expression focusing on the output of U, and then from that, simplify that using Boolean algebra. You love Boolean algebra. Oh, come on. It's okay. I prefer K-maps. I don't know why. Okay, anyway, um, I need to go do output. What? Be back in 20 minutes. Oh, are you going to the toilet? Is that what that means? 20 minutes? 20 minutes? Yeah, like me in school today. Oh, by the way, I when I said I went to the toilet, I didn't. I just went to go eat a plate of rice. Yeah, so okay, anyway, see you. Okay, so the SOP for this would be we look at the ones. Oh, I should do a video on Boolean algebra. Doing vectors crazy. Okay, I'll do a video on Boolean algebra later on, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so you look at the ones for SOP is same. And then we only look at OD. But since the output of U is only affected by O and D, so we get 0 AO bar D plus OD. So from this we can factorize like that, and then the sigma law is D. Okay, since I haven't done a video on Boolean algebra, I will explain what just happened here. So this, okay, is the same as 1 or 0. Okay, since because if O is 1, then it will be 0 plus 1. If O is 0, then it will be 1 plus 0. So if O is okay, yeah, you get it, you get it. Okay, so either way it will be 1 plus 0, which is 1. and then D and 1 will be equals to D. So that's the explanation of this law. So simplified, right? Your answer is D. So if you have D as your answer for part C, correct. Very nice. Okay. Now for the last part, which is some of you struggle in this part, and it's truly a shame because this is like the fun part in these kind of questions. Okay. So design a circuit to meet the needs of the theater with the three inputs AOD and the two outputs LU. So to meet the needs of the theater, we've already described the behavior in part B and part C. So the question actually is doing a favor for you. And now we can just go ahead and draw lah. So for me, right, I will draw the inputs and outputs first. I'll draw like, since we have three inputs, I'll draw three dots on the left, and then I'll draw two dots on the right, and then I'll label. So A, O, D, and then LU. Okay, nice. And then we can start to describe the behavior lah. So for L, it consists of both O and A. It is O bar or A bar. So okay, so we just not gate this, and then we can OR them, and that's it. That's L. That's L. Yep. And then for, can you just do a NOR? Oh, okay. That is not the same. That is not the same. That's not the same. Okay, that is not the same, and I will show you why. Okay, since Jovia had that misconception, I will explain why this is different than this. And we'll be doing this, we'll be helping you understand with the help of truth tables. Okay, so again, I reiterate, please, if you don't understand anything in these kind of questions, just draw a truth table. Just draw a truth table. It will really help, man. Okay, so ABX, then this stuff. Okay, if this comes out to be the same as a NOR gate, right? I'll give everyone 20 stars. Okay, so 0, 0 would be, okay, let's do a NOR gate first. Okay, so for OR gate, 0, 0 will be 0, but since it invert the output is 1, then 0, 1 will be 1, but invert so is 0, and then the rest are zeros. A and B will be 1 and 1, so because you're inverting it 1 and 1, so the output is 1. Then A and B 0 and 1, since you're inverting it, it will be 1 and 0, which is 1. Then uh huh? Oh yeah, okay. This will be 1 also, and then this is when it'll be 0. Hey, this looks familiar. I think yeah, XNOR. Yeah, this is a gate. XNOR. Okay, wow. Even I didn't notice that. If you drew an XNOR gate, you're wrong, by the way. No, 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 no. Okay. Minus 5 billion stars from your store right now. Okay. If you drew an XNOR here, wow. Please DM me, man. That's crazy. Even I didn't see that. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Cause of course, if you do it like this, you're right. Okay, you're still right. Right. So no problems, no issues. Okay. So yeah. So this is not the same as a NOR gate. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. So now we gotta handle the output for U, and we can see that it's just D. So that's it. That's it. This entire description, 100 words, is just this. Okay, so that is that's this entire question done. I will It's not X no. Then what is it? Okay, handle that later. If yeah, that's this entire question done lah. That was about, oh, that was like 19 20-ish minutes, so it's not that long lah. So it's NAND all along. Oh, NAND. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, wait, this is universal gates, bro. Okay, I'll stop yapping then. Cut to the chase. So that's this entire question done. 2 marks, yeah. Um, my standard, this is 2 marks, but in the exam, this will probably be 7 marks. Okay, 7 marks or maybe more. Here would be 3, 2, 2, and then this is, I think at worst 1 so 8 marks Okay, possible 10 mark question, I think, because I'm being very stingy with my marks here, but I feel it's a 2 mark question cause actually these kind of things is common sense one, you all should know. Okay, so that's the end of going through the WA2 totals 15 marks, where the 5 marks. Okay, so I think, yeah, that's pretty much, I've gone through the entire question already. So now I will I can answer your questions or go through your answer, because I mean, to the 3 people here that take electronics, I mean, that should have done the worksheet. Have you all done the question? If you have, just if you have, right, just put it in the chat as an image or something, and then I can check if your worksheet is correct, or yeah. So, but if not, then that's it lor. So if you don't have any more questions or anything, you can leave. Okay, it's either stay and I'll answer your questions and check your worksheet, or leave. You cannot just stay and not say anything. Okay, yeah, that's not fair for Ming Hao, I guess, but come on, guys. Unless you're telling me that Kai Jie is go on WTTL. No, I'm not doing a live lesson on that. Come on, guys. Any questions? Okay, that's a no. So if you're watching this video not live, um, if you have done the worksheet, this question, and you want me to take a look at it, just DM me or DM Jovia, okay? If not, that'll be all. So I will see you guys in the next lesson.